Hey everyone, my name is Ali and I'm a solution engineer at C1. And today we're going to talk about C1 policies and how they work in the platform, their architecture, and then their hierarchies. First things first, what is a policy in C1? It's essentially a set of instructions on how to assign someone to review a task and maybe take some action after the task is reviewed. So you can do things with it, such as, for example, figure out who the approver should be. So this is a task, right? Who should approve the task? Or maybe we need to think about, is the person on call? So let's say on call. If they are on call, well, what do I need to do? Should I look for their attributes and see if they're actually also a senior engineer? And if these things match, right? So like if this is a checkbox, this is a checkbox, great. So the policy should actually then figure out who the person should be that's going to review the task. So it could be manager, could be resource owner, or it could be, a combination of things. It could be a group. It could be the same person needs to review it. So just roughly speaking, this is how the policies work. What we want to talk about today is how you can layer these policies to achieve the best outcome. So the policy sits on the app layer, or can be, right? So this is your high level, this is the top level, or the policy can sit on the entitlement layer, or the policy can actually sit on the review layer. What this means is you can assign policies in various places. So we're going to refer to the policy as P in various places in the platform. And the policies will execute based on how you configure your review or how the task is configured. This gives you a lot of flexibility, right? You don't have to specifically define the approver at the review level or specifically define the approver at the entitlement level or at the app level. You really assign these policies and they can have a cascade of different rules. So I can actually assign a rule on top of this and say, if the user is in marketing, maybe take a different path. This gives you so much flexibility. It can automate things for you and essentially reduces the need to build hundreds of policies into simply rules. So in a nutshell, that's how the C1 policies work. They're hierarchical. They can be applied at different layers on the platform, and they are used to reduce the work that you need to do with the reviews.